Hi, this video will show you how to create a Microsoft team for use with your school staff. So from your Office 365 tile or any of the waffle in any of your Office 365 applications, you will be able to navigate to Teams. So once we're in Teams, it will take you to the page with all of your teams. You can see I'm in many, but you may have none if you're not using it yet. So today we want to create a team. I'm going to create a team. It's a staff team and we give it a name. So I'm going to put my school name in. That's probably best practice. Whole school staff. A team can be a private team or a public team. By default, the setting is private, which means only members of that team will have access to the content within it. If you made it a public team, it could be accessed by anybody. Okay, so I'm going to keep this as private, and that's it. Our team is being created. So I now start to add people into that team. So I can navigate to staff members and add them. You can see that this teacher is a member of the team, so I'm going to add another, and we would keep going until we've got all of our members in the team. So now you can see I have two members of my team. I'm actually going to promote this staff member to an owner. It's best practice to have two owners of a team, or at least two owners, because they're the ones that can add other members. So once we have our members in and we've got at least another owner, we're ready to begin. Okay, each team has a general channel within each, and we can make lots of channels here. So for example, I might add an additional channel, which could be called School Briefing, Key Stage 1, Year 6. I'm going to call this one Key Stage 2. A channel can be a standard channel or a private channel. A standard channel means anybody that's a member of the whole team will get access to the information in that channel. A private channel would be limited to a small group. You would then decide. I'm going to keep this as a standard channel. Okay, now you can see I've now got two channels. If I flip back to the general, I can add a notice for staff. I could put lots of information in there. I can add attachments, and I would press go, and you see that that notice has gone. Okay, the next thing we're going to look at is the file area. So I could add documents to this file area by simply dragging them through. I've got a home learning file that I've just created. So if I drag that example of a... So as you can see, I can select a document and drag it in, and that document will upload. You can see here it's given me a progress bar. Okay, anybody now within this team could open that document and edit it at the same time. So you could have lots of collaborative working. You can have as many channels as you want to here, just by adding more channels. It's important to note that each channel has its own separate files area. So if I'm in Key Stage 2, you'll see that that is empty, whereas the document we've just uploaded is here in this general area. Okay, if you want to do more work on a document or upload multiple files, I would recommend you open this files area in SharePoint, which you would get to just here. Okay, good luck.